Let us review some historical milestones of the Jingdezhen Imperial Kiln Factory. These photos show President Xi Jinping's visit to the 1,000-year-old porcelain city of Jingdezhen on October 11, 2023. The photos were taken at the Imperial Kiln Factory in Jingdezhen, now known as the Imperial Kiln Museum. Many photos are on display, mainly focusing on the scenes from the handmade ancient-style ceramic workshops at Taoyangli, open for tourists to visit. As of today, August 18, 2024, President Xi Jinping's photos are still hanging within the Imperial Kiln scenic area. Now let's review some important historical milestones in the 600-year history of the Jingdezhen Imperial Kiln Factory. Through this historical review of the Imperial Kiln Factory, we can also see that the tradition of porcelain gifts has continued in China for over 600 years. The Jingdezhen Imperial Kiln Factory dates back to the early Ming dynasty, in 1369, the second year of Emperor Hongwu's reign. When Emperor Zhu Yuanzhang ordered the establishment of the Imperial Kiln Factory in Jingdezhen, exclusively for producing ceramics for the royal family. This marked the beginning of Jingdezhen becoming China's most important porcelain production center, and the exclusive supplier of ceramics to the royal palace. The burning of the Imperial Kiln Factory. Time passed quickly, and more than 200 years later, in 1853, the third year of Emperor Xianfeng's reign, the Taiping army attacked Jingdezhen. After the army entered Jingdezhen, the Imperial Kiln Factory, which was under the direct control of the royal family and supplied ceramics to the emperor, was burned down by the Taiping army in retaliation. Thus, the Imperial Kiln Factory was disrupted for more than a decade, until the fifth year of Emperor Tongzhi's reign, in 1866, when Empress Dowager Cixi ordered Li Hongzhang, the chief minister of the Qing government, to collect funds to rebuild the Imperial Kiln Factory on its original site. Why did Empress Dowager Cixi order the reconstruction of the Imperial Kiln Factory? It was because, in 1868, she needed ceramics for the wedding of Emperor Tongzhi, which caused a great stir at the time. However, the glory of the Imperial Kiln Factory was no more, many craftsmen had fled, and many skilled workers were no longer around. The kilns and workshops had been destroyed. Although Jingdezhen continued to produce ceramics, the quality of the ceramics produced by the Imperial Kiln Factory could not be restored to its former highest level. The end of the Jingdezhen Imperial Kiln Factory. The end of the Imperial Kiln Factory is usually considered to be during the late Qing dynasty, in 1911, the third year of Emperor Xuantong's reign. The Xinhai Revolution led to the fall of the Qing dynasty, and the Jingdezhen Imperial Kiln Factory, as the royal kiln, also came to an end. Although the Imperial Kiln Factory was dissolved, Jingdezhen continued to be an important ceramic production center in China, but the Imperial Kiln Factory no longer held the status of the royal kiln. The story of the Zhushan 8 friends in Jingdezhen. With the cessation of production at the Imperial Kiln Factory, many skilled craftsmen who were adept at painting, shaping, and firing ceramics dispersed to the public. Among them, a group known as the Zhushan 8 Friends, led by Wang Qi, rose to prominence. In fact, the Zhushan 8 Friends were a group of 10 painters. During the turbulent period of the early Republic of China, from 1911 to 1949, the unstable political situation and frequent wars severely impacted Jingdezhen ceramics industry. Production at the Imperial Kiln Factory significantly decreased. For their livelihood, the craftsmen, represented by the Zhushan 8 Friends, continued to work in private kilns, making a living by creating custom-made ceramics. However, the glorious era of the Imperial Kiln Factory as the royal kiln had come to an end. The era of the Red Official Kiln. After the founding of the People's Republic of China, from 1949 to 1979, Jingdezhen entered the era of the Red Official Kiln. During this period, Jingdezhen ceramics industry was dominated by state-owned enterprises. The ceramics produced during the Cultural Revolution, with their designs reflecting the distinctive characteristics of the era, were mainly made for internal use in Beijing. The 7501 porcelain, known as the Red Official Kiln, was primarily used to produce tea sets, tableware, national emblems, state banquet porcelain, and national gift porcelain for Chairman Mao and other national leaders. The ceramic production of this period represented a significant decline, as its style changed considerably. This style, evident in the Red Official Kiln, included Chairman Mao's quotations, scenes from revolutionary model operas, images of workers, peasants, and soldiers, and scenes from the Cultural Revolution, with distinct characteristics of the era and strong political overtones. Jingdezhen's Red Official Kiln captured the special years of social development history. Looking forward to the future of Jingdezhen. As time quickly moves to August 2024, there are rumors that President Xi Jinping was fiercely criticized by senior officials at the Beidai conference in China. The Jingdezhen Imperial Kiln Museum, as a national 5A level scenic spot and a benchmark of the 1,000-year-old porcelain city of Jingdezhen, is now at the center of attention. When President Xi Jinping's many photos will be removed from the Imperial Kiln Factory remains to be seen. I will share more about this in another video. Please follow my channel for more exciting content, and thank you for watching.